Just gotta do a couple more things tonight. Let's pop on. Got my new battery strap. I forgot one of the only ordered one bolt though, so I'll have to get another one of them if I can line this stupid thing up. There we go. Where's my 10 mil? Whatever. You know what? Let's do a little swap action. I do need to put on this chain slider because why not? Look at my screwdriver here. New chain slider. Where is why not? Okay. Should snap on the front like so. Good, actually, right about there. Actually, you know what? Let me pull that back just a hair. There we go. That's a little better. I have to readjust that chain again. Still, it's not too bad. Alright, what else we got? I guess I'll just do a couple little miscellaneous things. Let's pop the brackets back on. All the stuff's off. This will give a little clean action. Why not? Get these motor supports back on. It goes there. And a nut. Top bolts. Actually, you know, I gotta do that tank on there. No point in tying this one up yet. That's the tank mount bolt. Oh, we'll leave it in there. Anyways. Where's my 12 mil? Man, this damn workbench is a mess. Ridiculous. All right, same thing on the other side. I'm not going to put the tank on tonight, but I at least want to make sure that it cranks up. All right, what we got here? Black. Should start no problem, but I still want to give it a test. Keys on. See if the side stand light comes on. Yep. Let's give it a little crank. Uh-oh. Damn. You know, I wonder if that starter Bendex did not engage. Damn it. In here. Because I don't hear it catching. Son of a bitch. So that case is going to have to come back off. Damn, I thought it was engaged. There's a little hole it lines up on in here. A little bearing. Clearly I didn't get it. Oh man, I can't believe I did that. Let's see what the hell's going on here. We should be free. So let's start. Oh yeah. Starter Bendex goes right here. This little knob, or the little nipple, goes into here. It must just slipped off, damn it. Stupid. Stupid. Alright, let's see if we can line this damn thing up. Surprisingly never had that happen. That is why I tested. Alright, that's still nice and straight. You know what? Give it a quick little spin. Let's just see. Okay, what the hell's going on here? Keeps on kicking off. Shouldn't be that difficult to line up with that dicky thing. There it goes. Alright. Wasn't engaged in the back end. Squirt a little WD-40 on this. It slides in that back end easily. Alright, let's try it again. Damn thing, better engage now. Okay, now we're good. That is why I test my premium work. I would have been pissed to get the everything else back on. Oh, come on, you son of a bitch. Don't fall off on me now. God dang it. Damn camera out of the way. Okay. All right. Let's put these bolts back on, and then we're good to go. Might as well get the tank on there. Also got a new tank strap. Mine did not come with one. Let's pop this where it belongs. Make sure these cables are all good where they need to be. Oil line to the carb. Vacuum line creeping down here. Fuel line, okay. Wonder if I should get that shit. Alright, this line needs to go. This cable's got to go underneath. Like so. This one goes over there. We're getting it, we're getting it. Stuck on something on this side. What the hell is it stuck on? There we go. See if I can finagle that vacuum line on here. Vacuum line's on. Fuel line on. Get this bolt started so we know we're nice and lined up here. Forget the tank strap on. Should be 12 mil there. On the sides for the tank. There. All right, let's tighten this up, and the tank should be good. You know what? Might as well try to crank it up real quick. I'm not gonna let it run that long because it is late, but let's see what happens. This should be on petcock. Come on. My petcock on the right way? Put a little more fuel in there. You know what? I bet this is... Oh, it wasn't on run. Awesome. All right, let's try again. Come on. Let's run it just for a sec. Neighbors be all right. Idle's a little high, but we'll let it run a little bit. I thought it was a little exhaust leak, but I think it's just burning off the WD-40 on the exhaust pipe. Running strong, sounds great. Let's try something stupid. Yeah, those wheels are pretty nasty. Well, seems to be running really good. I think tonight I'm just going to clean it up a little bit more, do a little steel wool on some areas just for the hell of it. Tomorrow we'll take it out, see how it runs. And then I guess next we'll work on trying to get these plastics in a little better shape. They're pretty nasty right now. That's going to probably take a day or two at least, just cleaning all those off, because right now they're pretty busted up. So other than that, we'll get a test ride tomorrow and see how it's working.